Alright guys, goodbye room. Thanks for how many days of stay. Yan. Dito sa kama ko natin. Thanks, Abosa. Let's go. On to the next clip. Ang lakas ng ulan guys. So, sana hindi makancel ang ulan. Sana hindi makancel ang trip namin ng Bangka going to Katiklan Airport. Let's go. Kalog din si Kuya. Shout out 610. It's raining in Boracay, hindi ka ba narinig? It's raining in Boracay. Last day guys. Thank you Boracay, I love you. There's always a reason to come back guys. Don't go in September. Don't go habagat season. It's raining. Punta kayo dito November na guys or summer. Summer. November hanggang ano na yun. Amihan season. Shout out. So, ang Boracay ng early morning guys na umuulan. Sarap yung pandikoko nila. Ito na kami guys sa Ambisaan Port. Let's go.
Okay, thank you.
Salamat po. Sana hindi makanso ang tawid ng dagat. Okay.
Baba mo na.
Kuya, thank you po.
Thank you.
Ambisaan Port going home guys. Hanggang sa ano na to? Bangka. Hanggang dyan lang.
Sa Bangka sir.
Sige, pabuot na lang ako. Hanggang kasama ko. Hanggang pagsakay Salamat. Para hindi sumakit yung legs ko. Sumakit kasi likod ko nung yung galing doon isang ganito. Tsaka isang ganito malaki. Pagdating sa naligo kami ng tapos lakas ng hangin. Para akong lalagnatin. Rain there. Alright guys, sakay na kami ng bangka. 20 pips bigyan natin si Mr. Porter. Ano to? Ang sakyan namin ngayon is Sunico Express. Yeah. Buti hindi na cancel. Madulas. Madulas guys. Salamat brother. Thank you, thank you.
Check mo lang sir.
Ako, salamat. Saan tayo po? And it's been raining in Boracay, hindi ka gano'n. Saan tayo nga?
34 hanggang 40.
Hanggang 40 tayo.
Ito, 32 doon. Ano,
Una lang
32.
daw po kayo. Huwag na, ito na lang.
Hindi ko na i-open yan. Excuse ya.
Isa lang yung magtitahan, nag-gwardiya lang. Ha? Nag-gwardiya lang magtitahan.
Oh, iwan ko dito ah. Yes! Hindi. Airport lang. Oh, may.
Sa may Gcash na daw.
Ayun, Gcash. Ayun, Gcash.
Louie.
Ah, Louie, oh, Louie. Brother Louie. Louie. Brother Louie. Alright, dami pa rin tourists guys, oh. Ang dami pa rin tourists. Kahit na naulan. Let's go to the airport. See you in a bit. Rainy Boracay. Alright. Wait, okay? Bye-bye. Kanta ka muna nung Love is Gone. I'm sorry. Sige na, Love is Gone.
Daddy,
Sing na, Love is Gone. I'm sorry.
Daddy,
Don't leave me.
Daddy, help me. Daddy. I'm sorry.
Wait.
Don't leave me. I want you with me. I know that
love is gone.
Then you put me down.
One more. First. Jason. Alright guys, first time ko mag Starbucks guys. Pang Starbucks lang ako guys eh. First time natin mag Starbucks. Let's go. Yan guys, boarding na kami. Z2922 AirAsia going to Clark. Please stand by for everything. Alright, let's go. Behind the scenes, Philippine Airlines, smaller plane. Yan ang binababa yung luggage doon, lagyan ng gasoline. Ganyan ang behind the scene. Big shout out sa mga natin, mga heroes natin ng airport. Yan, sila nagpapagaan ng ating mga flight. Alright, let's go. Landing yung plane guys. Yan na siya, approaching. Philippine Airlines. Touchdown siya dyan. Bye for now, Katiklan. Until next time, thank you. Thank you, Boracay. I love you too. I love you, Boracay Island. Until next time. Kahit maulan guys. See you sa next. See you sa next guys. I miss you. Bye. 2,400 feet. Thank you. Thank you, La Familia. Shout outs, La Familia. Until next trip. Let's go.
9 degrees Celsius. At this point, on behalf of Air Asia, Captain Musni, cabin crew, Aaron Kim Nobilia, Alex, Jeff, and Sam, I'd like to thank you for joining.
turbulence in our approach. For your safety, please remain seated and securely fasten your seatbelt. Thank you.
Hala. Let's go. Ayun guys, pagbaba dito sa Clark, meron na pabagyo kagad, nakachamba, alauna. Time check is 11:20. And Joy Bus na Genesis going to Baguio. Yan, meron din Gapo, sari-sari dito, minsan Pangasinan. Pero depende kung anong oras ka dumating. Kami noon, dumating ako noon. Sinakyan ko is going to Dao muna kami, tapos from Dao. Okay, sakay na ako sa taas guys. Shan Avenue. Ito, shawarma rice. Shawarma rice. Alright. Bossy! Manager! Bossy! Bossy! 8 a.m., 11 a.m., 1, 5, tsaka 7:30. Regular bus na yun. Tapos ito naman is airport to Naiya Terminal 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yan. Yung time, PSP, P2P, Clark Airport to Trinoma. Yan naman yung time. So yan, cost nyo na lang. Kitang kita, walang daya. Let's go! Kaya mamaya ko na tatapusin ng vlog. Siguro dito ko na rin tapusin ng vlog. Thank you La Familia for the trip. Bora Bora. Let's go. Thank you guys. Alright guys, until next time, La Familia. See you in the next clips. See you in the next clip, La Familia. Thanks for the trip. Bye. Bye guys, La Familia. Bye bye.